Good evening. Today is Wednesday, March 27, 2024, and here are the 7 p.m. STL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the STL Shore 3 7 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Wednesday, March 27, 2024. Here are the SL Shore 3 7 p.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Piana Trading Supply Corporation for March 27, 2024, Wednesday. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of Wednesday, March 27, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.